Hello everyone! Today, I'm providing a comprehensive guide on how to get started with Emergent AI. I will demonstrate how to set up your account, accrue complimentary credits, and apply my exclusive discount code, code 2026, to secure immediate savings. To begin, please navigate to the first link provided in the description below. This is my direct referral link, which will take you to the official Emergent AI registration page. Select Sign Up or Create Account, enter your credentials, and verify your email address to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to your personal dashboard, where all tools are immediately accessible. To generate free credits, navigate to the Referral section of your dashboard. Copy your unique link and share it with your network. For every new user who registers through your link, both parties will receive bonus credits to utilize on the platform. It is a seamless process. Finally, when you are ready to upgrade or purchase a subscription, be sure to apply the coupon code CODE2026 at checkout to receive your discount. Remember to use the link below to create your free account and apply code 2026 to maximize your value. Please subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future promotional codes and AI software insights. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to explore Emergent AI today.